What's up, everybody? Welcome to Ultimate Outdoors. Today's video is from the Adirondack ATV Riders Club. Last fall when I went up there, they had like an open house. We got to go up and camp, and they had a big bonfire. The motocross track was open to anybody. The drag strip was open, and we went up and stayed, and we had a really good time. A friend of mine come up and did some videotaping for me with his drone. Now, he's the owner of Horizon Aerial Media Services. He's located in, I think it's Glen Park, New York. He's got a website. I'll put a link below. What he does is weddings, real estate videos, personal videos, anything you want. He does some really cool work with these drones, flying it up in the air and looking down on all kinds of stuff. And him and his wife work as a team doing this, and they do a great job. So definitely check it out. I'll put a link down below, like I said, for this website. If you're in the Jefferson County area, all the rates are on there for his services and stuff. So check it out and give him a look if you're into that kind of stuff. Or if you need somebody to do some aerial videos for you or something of your property or whatever. It's really cool stuff. So, and that's what this video is. He come up with his drone up to the club and did some aerial videos of people drag racing and on the motocross track, and it's really cool. So check this out. I'm also going to have some videos coming up of, I went up there, they had some actual races with the dirt bikes and the four-wheelers, some novice classes and expert classes and stuff. So I'm going to start sharing them videos with you, and some drag racing that they've done, and I'm going to get all these videos out to you. It's pretty near time to start up again this year. These are from last year, and it's just hard for me to get them all out on time. So I just want to get these out. So this is what they're going to be.